play on tab now. Just give it. Start.
But it's my turn now to play the tab.
Go. Oh, I got it. I think I should take it. Nerf War! Oh, I missed.
Oh, it's there. You are gone, Manas. You are gone.
It's time for Nerf War for tab. Thunderbolt.
Oh man, I just have the jolt. Okay, that's good. I have the rampage. Let's go. Where are you, Manas? Where are you? Whoa! Come out! Come out, Manas! Just come out! Whoa! What's really saying? Where are you? Just come out! No!
Finally!
So guys, this was our video for Nerf War for playing on tab, and he won, so I'm giving this tab to him. And please subscribe to our channel and share this video.
Don't forget to like and hit the notification bell. And goodbye till the next video.